Hi everyone, this is Zainab. Today I want to talk to the stay-at-home moms, aspiring entrepreneurs, or anyone trying to have side also while still having time for what matters the most, family. I know firsthand how difficult and challenging it can be doing getting something doing and at the same time having time to what matters to you the most. Trust me, I've been there. Then I discovered Ombre Brows. Listen, it changed my life entirely. Like, that was a game changer for me, and I cannot be thankful enough. Now I'm thrilled to share the same knowledge with you through my micropigmentation course. We have all other courses, but this video is visually for the micropigmentation. If you want to learn more about makeup, about teeth whitening, we got you all covered. Now listen, whether you're completely new to beauty or you just want to add some new services to your repertoire, I'm completely here to guide you every step of it. Did I mention this has an amazing return on investment? Yes, it does have amazing return on investment. And this is not to say you should just come in because of the money that you're gonna make. You're gonna make money, which is something that, I mean, this is the reason you were doing this to begin with. And because I know how hard it is to take the first step, that's why I'm offering 20% discount on my Ombre Brow course for everyone watching this video. So if you're ready to take the next step of your life, if you're ready for this challenge, if you think you're up for it, you know what to do. Click the link in my bio. Let's turn your passion into a business and let's build together. See you in the course. Bye.